Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Inventor. In this tutorial, you'll learn to use Revolve, the offset plane, hole, and circular pattern. So open the Inventor and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the right plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we will create this arc with 100 millimeters of radius. And we will create these three lines here. The distance between this line and this one is 125, and the distance between this line and the midpoint is 75/2, because it is the radius of this circle here. So open the Inventor, go to Start to the sketch, select the right plane, and here select the arc, center point arc, click here in the midpoint. The radius here 100 millimeters, and make an arc here. And go to constraint, select the vertical, select this point and this point here. And now select a line. Make a line here. Sorry. And go to dimension. The distance between this point and this point here is 75/2, and the distance between these two lines is 125 millimeters. We made this one. And now select a line and activate the construction geometry. Click here on the midpoint, make a line here with 60 millimeters. It is just for reference to use the Revolve features. So finish the sketch and go to Revolve. And the axis, select this one. The axis here is this line, and the profile this one. The direction, default, the angle 360 degrees, and press OK. We made this one. And now we need to create this hole. So to create this hole here, we will create a point in this face for reference. So to create this, go to plane and select the offset plane. And here show the origin. We will select the top plane to create an offset. And the distance here will be the radius, 100 millimeters, and press OK. And go to sketch, select this new plane and select the point and make a point here in the center. This point will be used for reference, and finish the sketch. You can hide this plane a little bit and look that we have a point here. And now click here in this point and select the hole, or you can select the hole here and select this point. And this hole here is a counter body hole. Let's see the dimensions here. The counter body diameter 25 by 6.22, the deep, and the hole diameter is 20 millimeters, and the deep 13 millimeters. And the angle here inside will be 120 degrees. So let's create these dimensions here. The hole type, select simple. The seat, select the counter body. And here, the counter body diameter is 25. And the deep is 6.22. The termination here, select the distance. And the distance here will be 13 plus 6.22. And the diameter of this hole is 20 millimeters. And the angle here 120 degrees. And press OK. We made this hole here. Just to check the dimensions here, 25. That's correct. And now we need to create this hole in the other side. we needed to use the circular pattern to create 5 holes. So let's create this. Go to circular pattern, and here we will select the features and select the pattern individual. The feature here is this hole, and here the axis, click here, select the axis, select this face. The quantity here is 5 and the angle 360 degrees, and press OK. We made this one, and here we finish our exercise. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.